time ago. Where do I go? That's what I wanna know. Under the rain or under the sun, my thoughts and I are on the run. A big and a tall, a long time ago. What did I say? I don't care anyway. In front of a mirror, lost in a crowd. Did I ever dare to say what I think out loud? Say this, slowly drifting away. I gotta disappear before I misbehave. Can I say that a new life waits ahead? I won't let my soul be eaten by the shade. Figuring around not so long ago. Where do I go? But I still don't know. I have this urge inside telling me to keep on. Just need to leave and I don't care for how long. A big in his crate not so long ago. From the back of my throat. So maybe my ego howling, howling like a lonely wolf. Once a human, now an animal. Can I say that? Can I say that? Slowly drifting away. I gotta disappear before I misbehave. Can I say that? A new life waits ahead.
Just a notch in my belt, a story to tell, the only thing on my mind, and it's keeping me up at night. I know you're making magic somewhere, but not by yourself. That might be the reason why it's keeping me up at night. Another night, another stranger's door open. When it opens, I'll see you. A story to tell, the only thing on my mind. It's obvious I'm not doing well. Do you see these eyes? When have you known me to cry? I'm just sitting here remembering how your lips taste, and it's keeping me up at night, and it's keeping me up. Another night, another stranger's door open. When it opens, I'll see you. Wishing I could go back, wishing I could go back. Wishing I could go back, wishing I could go back to that night, to that strange store. Knowing when it's over, I'll see you. Oh, you. Babe, I see you.
Magnetism's perfect. She says she knows just how to cool down California for me. Text at 3 a.m. because her roommate's back in Texas. I'll be like Roger, we could climb some trees and get perspective. Mirror right next to a bed, motion perfected. All I can do is respect it. But why'd you wanna be around me in the first place? She said, baby, I've been down since 3rd grade. You were satisfied with first base, and I've been wildly known to be providing earthquakes. You must not have heard. She likes the shark print with the zip up, hi-hats with the hiccups, dark tints on a pickup, pineapples and liquor. She moved with the machine, play the game to change it. This is how it is to be. This is what I'm made with. This is love. Watch the silhouette against the sunrise.